In this video, I will be showing you how you can add a PDF or a digital file inside your Clickfunnels account. So what does this mean? This means that all the digital files, you're going to host it in Clickfunnels, and then you have a link. So this link you can give to anybody, whether to your customer or to your prospect. When they click on the link, they get access to your digital file as well. So this is very good when you create a landing page, and then when the next page they are supposed to receive a certain document, or you can put in your email marketing as well, that special link where people click and they get access to your digital product. And without further ado, let's go to my computer and I can show you how this can be done. So let's go. Alright, let me show you an example where, for example, I have this landing page that I did a while ago, right? When you fill out information here, you go to the thank you page, and then when you click on this download now, it will come out with the checklist, right? So where can you save this checklist? Well, you can put it in Google Drive, so that's one option you can have. Another option is that you can save it inside the Clickfunnels server itself, and I'm going to show you how it's going to be done, right? So let's go to Clickfunnels dashboard, right? Click on the top, right? Go to account settings, and then you go down, you see there's this term called digital asset, right? Click on the digital assets, and you see there's three things there already, right? So I just want to create a new asset. So for this, do take note that there is a limit for saving things inside Clickfunnels. So the limit is only 3 MB. So if you have a very big PDF, maybe you can use other hosting services, or we can use Google Drive, right? But if you use Clickfunnels, sometimes it looks nicer. So now you can choose file. So you just have to click here, choose file. Right, then you just name it Facebook Lead Generation Checklist. Then you just from name, you can just choose your name. Then from email, then message, any message you want to put inside, right? So you just have to click add, and when you add it in, it's here, right? You can click on this, click on the link itself, then you see this is the link for the checklist. So you just have to copy this, and for example, you paste in your browser, and there you get to see, well, this is work in progress, but anyway, you get to see in PDF version, right? So you can save other files as well, not just PDF, even images as well. And once you have this, so you can just share the link over, or you can put the link in the button, like what I did here. I put in the button, or you can put it in the picture as well. It's actually that easy. Where you have to go in, you just have to go accounts, then go to digital asset, and then you just have to manage your digital assets here. Just remember 3 MB max. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how you can add your PDF or any of your digital asset inside Clickfunnels and host it there, get the link and send it out. If you like what I share, do like this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, well, hi, my name is Ken. I talk a lot about digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, do subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do have a special gift for you as well. Check it out in the description box below. And with this, thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye!